Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the console and account are ready. Make sure the Xbox is on the latest system update and connected on a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired LAN. Sign into the same Microsoft account you use on PC and confirm privacy or family settings aren't blocking web browsing. Once done, close Microsoft Edge and navigate to Settings System Storage to clear temporary data and reserved space. This removes corrupted cache that often prevents Edge from launching properly. You'll now perform deeper repairs. First, remove Edge from My Games and apps, then power cycle the console by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds and restarting. This clears session-level issues. After reboot, reinstall Edge from the Microsoft Store. If the store fails, use the offline installer method inside Store Options. Next, reset the network configuration by going to Settings, General Network Settings, and clear the alternate MAC address to force a fresh DHCP lease. You'll finish by restoring settings and verifying stability. Sign into Edge to sync bookmarks and settings. If you enabled any experimental flags, disable them to avoid crashes. Run the built-in network speed test, and if you see DNS or loading errors, switch to Open DNS or Cloudflare DNS in network settings to improve name resolution. Make sure local profiles and saves are backed up, because if nothing works, you may perform a factory reset as a last resort. This often clears deep software corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.